I believe that many people for PCB circuit board, SMT patch processing, these electronics industry related terms are not unfamiliar. These are often heard in daily life. But many people do not know much about PCBA, often confused with PCB. So what is PCBA? PCBA or PCB difference is what? The following together to understand the PCBA patch plus the PCBA is an English printed circuit board plus assembly for short. That is to say PCB board after SMT patch, and then through the dip plug-in made of the whole, referred to as PCBA, PCBA and PCB difference. From the above introduction, can be known PCBA generally refers to a processing process. Can also be understood as the finished circuit board PCB board processes are completed. After that, it can be counted as PCBA, and PCB refers to an empty printed circuit board. There are no parts on it. With the high-speed and high-performance miniaturization of electronic machines, packaging technology has been greatly developed. Chip-size packaging CSP and BGA packaging, to multi-lead and narrow lead both direction development, and bare chip packaging is also practical, due to the progress of these packaging technology. For printed circuit board, PCB also put forward new requirements to meet the needs of high-density packaging and high-speed PCB. Procurement and chip processing are two different production methods. Many electronic manufacturers only specialize in one of the ways, which requires electronic product manufacturers in the selection of PCBA processing manufacturers to consider the strength of the manufacturer. Choose rich experience, can excellent completion of the entire processing flow of the journey.